Welcome back, hackers, to another episode of Hack the Martree. Today, we're delving into the intricate world of HTML injection. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with the concept. I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you grasp each concept thoroughly. Let's kick things off with a foundational understanding of HTML. Hypertext, markup language, or HTML, serves as the backbone of the web. It employs tags to structure content on web pages, defining elements such as headings, paragraphs, links, and more. HTML injection, alternatively referred to as cross-site scripting or XSS, presents a significant vulnerability. It occurs when nefarious actors inject malicious code into a web page, exploiting input fields like search bars or comment sections, where users can input data. To illustrate, imagine a website featuring a search bar. If the developer fails to properly sanitize user input, an attacker could input something like this. Like this, upon interaction with the compromised search bar, the malicious code executes, triggering a pop-up message. This exemplifies how easily attackers can compromise a website and its users through HTML injection. Now, let's delve into mitigation strategies. Input validation and sanitization emerge as crucial measures. This entails rigorously examining and cleansing user input to ensure it lacks harmful code. Developers can leverage libraries or built-in functions for this purpose. Another pivotal approach involves implementing Content Security Policy, CSP Headers. These headers restrict the sources from which a browser can load content, thereby thwarting unauthorized script execution on your website. Additionally, opting for JavaScript functions like inner text or text content over inner HTML fortifies defenses against HTML injection. These functions automatically escape HTML tags, heightening the difficulty for attackers seeking to inject malicious code. By comprehensively grasping these preventive measures, you can substantially bolster your website's security and shield your users from potential threats. I trust this in-depth exploration of HTML injection has provided valuable insights and empowered you with the knowledge needed to safeguard your digital assets. If you found this content enriching and wish to continue your journey into the realms of cybersecurity and hacking, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Remember, with great knowledge comes great responsibility, so keep learning, keep exploring, and above all, keep hacking responsibly.